Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Crosshair X. All right, so first up, I'm going to be showing you how to disable it. Like as you can see here, I have it running. Okay, so just basically press the default keybind for this, which is Shift plus Alt plus Z. Okay, you'll be able to see it right here, the global toggle. Okay, just press the keybind. Okay, Shift Alt plus Z. Right, as you can see here, it says off. Now, if you just want to exit out of Crosshair X, you have that option in here under the Crosshair X app. Just go ahead over to options, okay, in the left panel, and click on exit tab. There you go. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and close Steam or Epic Games. Okay, and once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if you want to disable it from opening up when you boot up your computer, well, you can just go ahead over to your start menu, startup apps right here, click on it. I'm going to find Crosshair X, disable it, and also Steam if you want to disable Steam when you open up your computer. That is it. That's how simple it is to turn off your Crosshair X. Well, this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.